Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Ojol The Game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Ojol The Game within your device, and if you're opening up the game for the first time, you will be asked to enter your nickname. Just type in your desired name and tap on the green continue button. You will then be asked to choose your gender. Tap on your preferred gender and click on next once again. Then choose your game mode and continue forward, and now you will be taken into the game starting page. You can link your progress by tapping on the profile icon and then choosing either link Google account or the link CDX ID account. Once you tap on either one of these options, you will simply need to provide access to your account. Just choose your account and provide the access by confirming it, and now you have successfully signed up for a brand new account on Ojol The Game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Ojol The Game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.